Hey MB crew, so I'm starting off with an old style. This was my bang and bun tutorial that I just recently posted. I've had it in for a while now, so it's time for me to take it out, and I'm going to show you guys how I take a style and revamp it into a new style. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out the bun, as you guys can see me doing here. And I like doing this because this helps me stretch out the time to where I have to wash my hair again. So this will give me a few more days. So basically I just took the bun out, and as you guys can see, I'm going to spray my hair down with water, and the water is just going to, you know, loosen up that bang area and also reactivate the gel that I used on the back section of my hair. So like I was saying, the water is going to reactivate the gel, and what you want to do is use the same gel that you used on the first style, and I used the Ampro Pro Style Gel. So I'm just going to add some gel to the bang section because I did not have any gel there, and I put a little bit on the areas that I already had some gel, but not much because the water helped reactivate it. And I'm just going to brush my hair up into a high ponytail. For some extra hold, I'm going to take the Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray and put that right around the base of the ponytail because that's usually where my hair likes to fall down at. And then I'm going to wrap my hair up, and I'm going to sleep like this overnight. Now it is the next morning, and I'm going to go ahead and put some edge booster on my edges and swoop my edges around how I like them. You can push yours all back. It's up to how you want to do them. And I tied my baby hairs down while I did my makeup, so I'm going to use the Kinky Rock Curl hair that I used in my crochet tutorial, and I used about 12 pieces. I'm going to lay it across the hair tie and pull it through, and then I'm going to attach it to my real hair like so. And I'm just going to do a bun, so I'm just going to literally wrap it around like a donut and then pin it into place. So I'm done pinning my bun and getting it to how I want it to be. I'm going to take some Luster's Pink Oil Sheen. I'm going to spray that all on the base of my hair because you know gel can make your hair look dull. And this is the final look of my bun, you guys. This is how I like to revamp an old style and turn it into something new. Really quick and simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye!